Hey guys, Dion from DionVideoProductions here, and on Amazon I recently came across a $15 tripod. Yes, $15. Now on Amazon it has well over 1,000 reviews, most of which are quite positive. So what's it like? Well, let's start off with the unboxing. So here's the box that it comes with when you buy it on Amazon, and while I unbox this, I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the features. Now, it comes with a bag, and this is a very simple bag with a zipper, however it will make it easier to carry and transport. The maximum height of the tripod is 127 centimeters. It also comes with a quick release plate and allows for the camera to be positioned in either portrait mode or landscape mode. Now, most of the tripod is also built out of aluminum, however the clasps on the legs are made of plastic. Can this replace a $200 or $300 tripod? No, of course not. It lacks features such as a fluid head, and the build quality is simply not on the same level. However, this shouldn't be expected from a tripod that only costs $15. So who's the consumer? Who is this product for? Well, this is for those who shoot on a lightweight setup such as a mirrorless camera or a smartphone, and those who simply need a tripod that allows you to point your camera and keep it in place. So in the end, all things considered, for the price, this tripod exceeded my expectations. And it's always good to have an extra tripod on set. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like down below, and also leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you very much for watching.